Kone kibunango chabaraso bwamu na kone kibunango rosibale kyama kyabo asenchira yogo kya kwero boli boikrano wo kya sobo chole bone boli bosi umwaka w'ekiri bubere na 2025 ibergose 2027 okwali tuko lya lero ni go mwaki Danstan Omari atebirbo na chikobo mustalio bosyo edukanyara kone kibuna abagusi aso bwamu ngonyara bale go Chama na karosie kyama ekira abakonya so konyara konyole getalie kenene asense media ya serikali okwali tuko lya lero ni go Danstan Omari wa gate birbuna abare kurasarongoro agusi abarokane go tatwaro bwa matobya niga borugo Chama na kone kibunango kirana bara magendra so bwamo unenchire mu yokole tomole meno bwa matobya bosi wo chikorosie kyama kyaba sobo cholyo bonene buli bosyo.
Everybody is fighting for their tribe. I will be asking if the Kisii community political leadership has gone on maternity leave. I will put in my papers to lead the community and register a political party, because by 2027 we will still be scattered in ODM, we'll be in UDA, we will be in whichever party that is there, and we shall lose as a community. So I'm appealing to everybody in the Kisii community that it is now ripe we go into one political party so that we can negotiate from one political party. And all the elected leaders, you owe the community an explanation. What are you doing in parties that you have no stake in? There are parties that have made the community a disgrace, a laughing stock. We appeal to the elected leaders to come out strong by moving out of those parties. They can be independent candidates. What I will assure them, that I have defended Aisha Juma when he moved from ODM. She never lost her seat. I defended very many of them. So don't be scared that you'll be chased from ODM. You are already chased from ODM. You are already chased from UDA. Let us think, let us sit and talk like Kisii. Tiga tokwa no munuo yomo, torigie ekiama geito, na ritorasi kwe. Bono igatonga emengongo itabua ti direction. Toko nyako gende biso na biabanto ekraba ko gamba tore kesona. That is my appeal to the Gusii.